Robert, what do you think of the transplant?
Oh, it was very good and very happy with the results. And yeah, people are noticing a big difference.
This is Robert. He's 50 years old and had a hair transplant with us at FUE Hair 6 months ago. When he came to see us initially, he was a Norwood 5, and you can see here today, as you can see, this is a hair. It's very natural and it's good density, especially for 6 months. For 6 months, it's very, very good density. The texture of hair is slightly different from the donor. It's slightly more coarse and it's wavy, but that suits him better because it provides us with more coverage. Look to your left. So you can see here, straight please, straight to the camera, and look to your right please, look straight. So Robert, what do you think of the transplant?
Oh, it was very good and very happy with the results. And yeah, people are noticing a big difference. And the procedure was very smooth. Did not notice anything. Recovery was also good. I really appreciate Dr. Gupta following up with me every day post procedure, and yeah, I really like the staff, and they are very, very nice, and I highly recommend this place.
You were saying something. You volunteered something about coming here to FUE Hair rather than say going overseas.
Yeah,
can you just give us your comments on that?
Yes, a lot of people try to go, Istanbul, Turkey for a transplant, and I've seen the stories, and post-procedure and follow-ups are not happening and results are not so good. I highly recommend, that people who are in Toronto or in Ontario, they should visit FUE Hair, Dr. Gupta.